Do you ever click join meeting only to find your audio not working? Or try sharing your screen and watch it freeze at the worst moment? In this video, you will learn exactly how to set up Google Meet correctly, which features actually matter, and the exact settings we use to eliminate technical issues. Now, what is your biggest Google Meet headache? Go ahead and drop it in the comments. We read every single one, and we love to answer it for you. And many users treat Google Meet like just another video app. But there is a critical difference between running meetings on a free Gmail account versus a professional Google Workspace setup. So let me show you the exact settings that prevent these problems. Now, first, your Google account type matters. We recently helped a client switch from Gmail to Workspace after they couldn't record training sessions. Now, the difference is Gmail has basic video calls, no recording, and a 60-minute time limit. And Workspace has full recording, and this is actually saved to drive. It has advanced controls. It has premium features. And for professional meetings, Workspace is essential. The business standard plan pays for itself when you stop losing calls with clients. Now, here's why this works. Everyone gets automatic notifications, and the links never expire or change. And also, Calendar actually prevents scheduling conflicts. And you can even stop sending meeting links manually. So you can use calendar invites and clients actually notice the difference. Now, there are 3 key features that have transformed how a law firm runs client meetings. Number 1, advanced screen sharing. You can share specific documents, not your entire screen. You can hide notification pop-ups during presentations, and you can keep audio perfectly synced with your video. Number 2, layout management. This allows you to pin multiple speakers to keep key people visible. You can also highlight presentations for clear viewing and set optimal layouts for different meeting types. And number 3, AI meeting notes. What you can do is click Take Notes for Me, and that will capture everything automatically. You can use Summary So Far to catch up if joining late and get email recaps with key points that are actually highlighted. And really quick, if you are struggling with Google Meet setup, itGenius can configure your entire system for you. We'll set up proper permissions, optimize your accounts, and train your team, all without disrupting your current meetings. Visit itgenius.com/meet-setup or click the link in the description. With some advanced features, you can actually get a full searchable transcript of every single meeting that you have. You can also find key discussions without watching the entire recordings. And a legal client uses this to document all of their client conversations, and it's been super helpful. With the late join catch-up feature, you can catch up without interrupting the meeting, and this is essential for teams across different time zones. They use it really well. Meeting summaries are automatically emailed to organizers, and recaps are stored in calendar events for easy reference. Lastly, you can also share with anyone who couldn't attend. These AI features require business standard subscription or higher, and if you need help upgrading, you can click the link in the description and we can help you with that. Now, a university client uses these features daily. They first use polls where they can gather team feedback and make decisions quickly. They use breakout rooms where they can split large meetings into focus groups, and they use the Q&A feature, which of course keeps questions organized and tracks responses. Now, here are some common questions that we hear quite a lot. Number 1, will Google Meet work on older computers? Yes, it can with Chrome, Edge, or Safari. And what you need to do is actually update your browser first, close unnecessary programs for better performance. Number 2, what if my internet connection is poor? This is a great question. What you need to do is turn on data saver mode in Meet settings and use audio only when needed. And lastly, you can dial in via phone as a backup if you need to fix this. Number 3, how do I fix audio echo issues? Yes, now what you can do is use headphones to eliminate the feedback and also mute when not speaking. But what you need to do is also check the audio settings in Meet to make sure that they're optimized. By implementing these changes, your meetings will start on time, everyone will join very easily, and your presentations will run without freezing. Very important. Most importantly, you will capture everything with recordings and transcripts, and your audio will remain clear throughout the entire meeting. And we've seen these simple changes reduce meeting issues by over 90% across hundreds of businesses. And that is it. Thanks very much for watching. Go ahead and hit subscribe for more Google Workspace tips that actually work. If you need help setting this up for your team, click the link below to book a call with itGenius. We'll handle everything from setup to training. If this video helped, please do us a favor, go ahead and hit like and share it with your team, and we will see you on the next one.